Heather from Pretty Wigs To You. Thanks so much for stopping by. And look at what I have today. So this is the new Jon Renau SmartLace Lite collection. Light collection means that it is a lighter density. So lots of ladies have been asking for their favorite wigs in a lower density, and Jon Renau has delivered that to us. So today we are looking at the Zara Lite in Venice Blonde. Zara is one of my favorite Jon Renau wigs. Just nice and long and perfectly layered, and I'm super excited. So I have not seen this yet, guys. This is my first time seeing this with you guys, okay? I have not seen this cap. I have not seen anything in this collection. Oh! Okay, so what makes this collection so awesome? It not only does it have a lower density hair, it also, the whole collection has a hand-tied cap. So hand-tied caps are just beautiful. I love a hand-tied cap. It sits like butter against your head. Okay, what else is great about the cap other than it being hand-tied and a lower density? It has lace from ear to ear, okay? And it has these polyurethane strips right here that you can attach adhesive to for extra security. And also it has this silicone grip in the back. So it gives you grip in the back. It gives you these tabs on each ear that you can secure it down, and it gives you a lace front. Now, what is the difference between an ear-to-ear lace versus a lace such as this one? So I'm wearing Sarah in color Venice Blonde. So I'm going to show you what the difference is in the lace. So with Sarah, we have the lace that comes just the front hairline, whereas in Zara, it comes all the way to the ear tabs. This gives it a more natural look all the way to your ears. So if you tuck your hair behind your ears, then that gives it more of a natural appearance. Now you can trim some of this lace if you would like, but it's cut perfectly so you don't have to do anything to it. Okay, so Venice Blonde is my new favorite Jon Renau color. It's perfect for the summer. And again, I'm gonna show you guys the cap again, okay? So adjustable tabs here at the back. You can make it bigger or smaller. We have the silicone grip at the back. We have a fully hand-tied cap, monofilament at the top, meaning anywhere where you see this circle here is where you can move your part at the top. We have the little ear tabs here that you can attach adhesive to, and the full ear-to-ear lace. Okay, let's try this on together for the first time, guys. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, it feels so nice. Okay, I love the lighter density. The cap, because it's a hand-tied cap, it feels nice and roomy. I would almost say it's stretchy enough that if you were on the larger side, this would also fit you. Okay, let's zoom in and have a look at the hairline. Okay. So there is an extended lace. So the lace is a little bit wider than in previous wigs. So you can always trim that down if you would need to, but it's pretty much undetectable. Okay, so what I was talking about with the ear tabs, you have the lace that comes. The lace comes right down here. Okay, see, you can see the lace there. Okay, so it lays nice and flat, so it looks natural. Zara is super cute. Just trying to see if I can get Zara in a pony with that at the back. I still have the tag on her. This one's gonna be my personal wig, so you can get her in a pony. You just need to work at it a little. Let's see. I don't tend to to put adhesive on my wigs, but this sits so nice and flat. If I wanted a little extra security, I could just add some wig tape there, or a little of it stays body adhesive. I love the grip at the back. Sometimes I find that with my normal Jon Renau wigs, I find it slides up just a tiny bit at the back. This grips at the back and it doesn't move. So it's similar to if you've ever tried an eye wig. The eye wigs have a skin grip technology, and this is like the skin grip technology in the back where it doesn't slide around. And the density is nice and light. Okay, I find this looks very realistic. The other Zara, the regular Zara is a little thick, I find, and I found it did have some permatease. This one does not. There's no permatease. It lays completely flat against my head, as you can see. I can pull it half up, half down. And I can trim the lace if I want. It's laying pretty flat on me, actually. I don't think I would do anything to it. I think I'll leave the lace alone. You can always trim it back later on if you would like. Okay. Let me know down below what you guys think of the new collection. Have you tried it? Are you excited to try it? And let me know what you think of Zara in the lighter density, the new cap. Let me know what you think down below, guys. I look forward to reviewing more of this collection soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.